Tell her to walk and see the follower, tell her. Tell her to walk.
Nicole! Start walking!
Tell her walk this way.
Walk this way!
And walk funny. Look at me, you. Come on, say where we are, Nikki. Tell her start, go.
New Year's Day. We're in Lake Havasu,
Arizona.
Arizona.
Yeah, we haven't.
2008, went by too fast.
Look at me, what are you talking?
I want to take pictures. I want to make a scrapbook.
Look at your sister, she's gonna get eaten by seagull poop. It's beautiful, man. It's New Year's Day and look at the temperature, like 75 degrees. Turn on the rope. She always finds stuff. Next time we bring the boat up here. We bring the big boat to go down river. That's a good place to dock our boat, man. We're gonna put right here where they standing. It'd be a good. See? Thank you. Look, look, look. Now they start coming towards her. What's she's feeding them? What's your mama dragging? And that's my wife, Kim.
Look, eye in the sky! Nicole, look high in the sky!
And that's Nicole right there.
He's going for it.
Hey, throw some. Try to keep walking this way, Bobby. You see it? Throw a rack at him. Get the shotgun out. What did you do, Campbell? The car, baby.